This is the elevator, or at least one of the elevators at the Edinboro Students Center. I'll get it, the exact name and title. Edinboro, University of Edinboro, Pennsylvania. Not sure what this was. It was definitely something old by the door frame. It was modernized by ThyssenKrupp with a mad BP moon. Might have been a door, yeah, because the doors look older. It's older mod, but has white LEDs. Yeah, this is a Dover. That's a Dover balloon drop key. It's loud. Basement. Should we go down? At the basement. Two. Have button lights on the door buttons, just right here it off. Back down to one. AJ phone. It's a basic cab. It smells like an old elevator, even though it looks all new. I think the buttons are replaced. I think it had older traditional older valve resistor or something originally. Kind of one. AJ phone, which is a California mad BS. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's a ThyssenKrupp dry powered motor or if that's the original motor. My cousin, that's gonna be it.